Hello and welcome to my channel, ladies. I'm Adele Bellar, and in today's video we're going to be looking at my recent acquired items from Zara. Today's video in particular is going to be a Zara Winter try-on haul, since the items I obtained are predominantly for the winter season, but it can be worn in 3 out of 4 seasons or even in 4 out of 4 seasons, depends on your personal style and climate, of course. Let's start with this elegant blazer in the ecru color. This blazer is slightly cropped and ends right on my waist. I'm wearing this blazer in the size small. If you're between sizes, you can go up a size on this. In this way, you're able to wear a nicely warm sweater underneath in the colder months. I really like the high percentage of cotton in this blazer, which is 61%. The blazer is slightly sturdy, but yet still feels comfortable on. I adore the feminine cut with the lapel colors, and I'm really glad this blazer doesn't come with shoulder pads. It has nicely added rhinestone buttons, also included on the 2 usable flap pockets. The beautiful buttons contribute to the chic look of this timeless blazer. I'm amazed of the feminine as well as sophisticated touch this blazer adds to my layer skirt outfit. This chunky high neck knit sweater with ribbed detailing on the hip area, arms and neck comes in a beautiful grey color. Also, if it's mainly made out of synthetic fibers, it still fits really soft and cozy on. And most importantly, for me at least, it is not a bit itchy or causes any reaction on my skin. It is slightly oversized, also in the size small, just like how I like my knit sweaters to be. It makes my outfit easy and chic looking, especially combined with trousers and a pair of edgy ankle boots, which I obtained from Zara as well. This kind of sweater is a staple, and if your income allows it, I would always recommend to upgrade and get breathable and absorbent materials such as cashmere, modal, merino wool, and so on. It will last you for years, keep you warm, and overall it is better for your health. Up next is this satin shirt dress, which a lot of you won't consider wearing in the winter months. I know, but I absolutely adore satin or silk dresses. In the colder months, I would style this dress with thermal tights, a knit sweater alongside with long boots, and it will still look absolutely fabulous. So this black sleeveless button-up satin dress has colors, is super flowy, it flows down to my ankles, and just overall has a beautiful, classy feel to it. I obtained this in the size small just because I wanted it to be as long as possible. I really adore the frills and the look of this dress is really well made. This dress can be styled so many ways. You can wear a blazer, a belt to cinch in the waist, anything can style this dress up. Also, if it's not really needing any support to make it any more chic. This flowing blue sleeveless top is such a unique and chic design and not seen very often. The shade of blue is such an ideal color if you're wanting to wear this to a professional setting or just simple outings. I bought this top in a size extra small and it's accurate for my body. It has a zip on the side and 2 buttons on the back of the neck. I feel very fierce as well as feminine in this top, and I enjoyed styling it with white trousers and ankle boots. The material is a mixture between satin and chiffon flowing detailing. I adore the sophisticated look this top adds to trousers, jeans or skirts. It can be tucked in or worn out and it still would look beautiful. Next is this beige high neck knit sweater. I obtained this in the size small. I didn't want this sweater to have the oversized look since it already has drop shoulders as well as ribbed detailings on the hip area, neck and arms. The sweater is amazingly soft and fits really nice on the skin. It seems like the 5% wool is somewhat noticeable and is contributing to the softness of this sweater. I'm a huge lover for high necks over roll necks. It just gives me more room to breathe and it's just not so dense. This beige sweater is a staple and can be styled professionally and of course casually. I adore the combination of this sweater with faux leather trousers and cream colored boots. It's giving an easygoing but yet stylish look. Now this shirt is made out of 55% cotton. It needed to be steamed to get the wrinkles out first. The good thing here is the high percentage of cotton, and on the other hand, this will need regular ironing or steaming. You can never go wrong with a white button-up shirt in your wardrobe. It is a classic item. This asymmetric hem shirt has colors with a V neckline and has dark detailing at the back. You can tuck it in, you can wear it out and add a belt around the waist. You can accessorize with a lot of jewelry to look more edgy, or keep the accessories simple, which is my personal preference, to always look polished. And at least I need to mention that this shirt comes in a really nice quality. Next up is this knit cardigan with pockets. It comes in 2 sizes, extra small to small and medium to large, and here I'm wearing the extra small to small. The stone color of this cardigan is easy to style, it has chunky buttons and a deep V neckline. I really had high hopes for this enormous knit cardigan since I've been searching for something similar for a while now. Due to this being extremely oversized and uncomfortable, itchy material, this is an item not worth keeping for me. Although I enjoyed this casual but also chic look of this outfit. Now we have this kimono style belted puffer jacket in a cream color and it comes with a brown belt. The sleeves comes folded and it has 2 enormous pockets. The material close up has a washed out look and feels slightly rough and fuzzy. This jacket is made out of 90% cotton, which is an absorbent material. It comes in 2 sizes, extra small to small and medium to large, and here I'm wearing extra small, which I found to look decent on me. It will definitely keep you warm since you will be able to wear a chunky sweater underneath. This puffer jacket is easy to style and looks quite chic with any outfit, and it's worth keeping as a staple. The color of this zip high neck sweater is beautiful and goes so well with the silver hardware of the zip. The material is soft and enjoyable to wear, although it is mainly polyester. I acquired a sweater in the size small and it wears on just perfect. The zip unfortunately can't be zipped up all the way and it's also quite difficult to zip up. The neutral color of the sweater goes with many other colors and therefore can be styled very easy. Here I decided to style it with a white trouser and cream boots because you can never go wrong with neutral and neutral. Last for this haul is this fabulous ripped long knit dress. This dress is pretty form-hugging. In addition to that, the material is mainly polyester. Plus, I need to add that this dress is quite heavy, but yet still comfortable to have on. I adore the flat-out look of the bottom of this dress, and the dress roughly reaches down to my ankles. Since I'm not the biggest fan of roll necks, I did find it quite difficult feeling truly comfortable in this dress. I decided to style this dress with brown knee-high boots and a blazer. Also, a belt can be added to make it an ultimate sophisticated outfit. Now, if you're interested in fashion, self-improvement and lifestyle related content, then make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos.